Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with one more dupatta styling video. In this video I will be sharing with you 9 different ways to drape dupatta to hide your belly or tummy fat. Along with that, I will also share some hacks and tips to reuse your old traditional lehenga which is sitting in your closet for a long time. So you guys, this is my engagement lehenga. As you can see, the embroidery and everything still is very strong, it's beautiful, it's not outdated or something like that. So I will be using this particular lehenga for this video. Now 8 years down my marriage and having 2 monster toddlers, there is no freaking way on this earth this blouse could fit me. So let's start with our first hack. So guys, I'm gonna be replacing my blouse with these 2 tops. One is a crop top, as you can see. This is more white one is more of a off-shoulder crop top, and has all this blinginess. I hope it's gonna go well with the lehenga. And the other one is more like a lacy top. So I am trying to match this up. You guys decide and let me know which style looks better and which goes better with this lehenga. Do leave your comment below. you guys, so these are the 9 different styles I have experimented so far, so I wanted to share with you guys. I'm not going to stop experimenting, so I will be soon coming with more styles to drape your ethnic wear, your dupattas, and more hacks and tips and tricks. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I hope you liked this one. This was helpful. If you try all of them, do let me know which one was your favorite. Until we meet next, it's me Savvy signing out, saying bye and ciao. Bye bye.